Good day, Ma'am MJ. Today I will present to you my Arduino activity, which is RGB LED. Here's the code. First, we need to declare some variable. Red pin is attached to digital pin 11 in the Arduino. The green pin is attached to digital pin 10. The blue pin is attached on digital pin 9. After setting our variables, we have first to set up. So here in our setup, we will assign those variables as output using pin mode function. After that, we will create a function color, and then we have three parameters, which is red, green, and blue. Why we use unassigned color? Because it will store a value from 0 to 255. 0 means off, and then 255 means on, fully turn on brightness. So anything in between those range, it will have a partial brightness or medium brightness. Inside this function, we have here analog write. We call analog write. Use this function to is send a value from red pin variable, and then the parameter red. Here in the loop, this will control the colors. First, we should call the color function. So for this one, this is for the red LED. 255 means fully turn on. So the red LED mean the RGB LED red will fully turn on, and then the green one will turn off, as well as the blue. And then we have a delay of 1000 millisecond or 1 second. For the green one, we will call again the color function. We set the value for the red as 0, and then the green one is 255, meaning it will fully turn on, and then for the blue one, it will turn off, and then a delay of 1 second. For the blue one, we'll first call the color function. We set the value of red and green to 0, so meaning fully turn off, and then for the blue one, 255, this will output a fully turn on brightness, and then delay of 1 second. Let's say we want to blend a colors. So let's say, for example, this one. So basically this will output a orange. To have that output, we need to assign the red, the RGB LED. We will assign a value of 237, meaning it is between 0 and 255. So it will have a medium brightness of red, and then for the green one, we will have a value of 109. So it will show in a output of show a output of partial brightness, and then for the blue one, we will just fully turn off, and then it will show a LED of orange. And for the yellow LED, we will set the value of red to fully turn on, which is 255, and then for the green one, is just a medium brightness of green, which is 215, and then the blue one will fully turn off. And then so on and so forth. In the next clip, I will show you the output.